Click extrude. Keep your instructions the same, solid, new, faces to skip. I want to choose all four of those circles, so I can click them individually if I wanted to, just to show you we can do individual things. See, it's telling me all the different parts that I'm going to extrude. We know the depth of the extrude is too great at the moment, and that needs to go to 1.7 millimeters. That looks about right. And again, it's green tick. You'll notice that actually it's gone to add. It's not a new extrude because I'm adding on top of a shape that I've already extruded. You think my first sketch was the square, and I extruded it up, and then I've sketched on top of that square, and I want to extrude the circles up. So I'm actually adding. That's the difference there. So green tick, that looks about right. I'm just going to orientate myself, so I'm looking underneath my square because we need to hollow this out. So I'm going to use my shell tool. I'm going to click on that bottom face. I need to change the thickness to 1 millimeter, and I'm going to green tip. Next, I think this is my second to last instruction that I'm going to, or amendment I'm going to make. I'm going to go to the bottom here, just I'm lined up. I'm actually going to bring the origin back, so I want to use it, and I want to sketch. So I'll click sketch. I want to sketch on this surface, so that's sort of underneath of the Lego brick. So I'm going to left click there. Now my toolbar comes alive. I want to choose center point circle. I'm going to use the origin, so I'm going to snap it to the origin, left click, bring it up and out. Don't go too far, left click. Dimension wise, let's go choose my dimension. Let's have a look. I don't actually have a dimension for this. It's saying it's 4.91319 millimeters. Let's try and make that a nice even number. So let's call it 5. I'm quite happy with that. Green tick that. It's just a sketch, it's a line at the moment. We need to make it 3D. So let's extrude. What do you want to extrude, sir? Remember, it's saying it's solid, it's new. What do you want to extrude? I want to extrude that sketch 3 that I've just done. There we go. So extrude it too far. That needs to be 8.6 millimeters. I'm happy with that. I'm actually going to see if I can tell within the same. No, it creates. So even though I didn't green tick, I went from extrude into a second command. So I want to shell. So it green ticks my extrude for me when I click shell. Face to extrude, no, faces to remove there. Right, let's not do that. Let's go back to extrude. Let's choose a new extrude. No. Double click on the extrude. Let's stick with add and green tick that. Now let's try shell. I think I was trying to be too clever now. Oh, I know why. The reason it's gone red is because it's saying that the thickness that I want to give this circle face, 2.5 is too thick. It won't work, which is fine because I actually want to put it as 0.2. So there you go. So I was okay to go from extrude to click shell without pressing green tick. There you go. So that is my Lego brick 2x2. Here it is, part 1. I've done before. I've right clicked and changed appearance to part 2. I'm going to show another way to do it. You'll find with Onshape there's more than one way. to do the same thing. Right click on part 1. I'm going to go to edit appearance. Let's get yellow brick, and green tip. Okay. I think that's it. I think my part studios, I'm quite happy now. I've got my 1x1, my 2x1, and my 2x2. Might have a go at doing one more, which would be a 2x4. But we'll decide that a little bit later on. What we are going to look at next is our assembly tab, and I'll do another video for that. So have a go at creating your 2x2 Lego brick. Remember to change the colours as you go along, and if you do get stuck, stop the video, rewind it, play it again, and work out where you went wrong. And remember, you can always undo. So if you click something you didn't mean to click, undo it. That's the beauty of using computer design. One of the great things about using CAD is if you make a mistake, it's so easy to amend it and change it and undo it. Right, have a go at that, and good luck.